Hey guys, Glen Affiliate Profit Pages. How are you? Hope you're doing great. This is my Traffic Shark review. This is a very cool traffic program that's just launching. When you see this, probably it will have just launched, so you want to make sure you grab it right away. It's an awesome piece of software written by or put out by Glen. He does amazing products. These products sell 15, 20,000 units. So they sell a lot of their software. So this is a pretty cool thing. He hasn't put out a traffic software for a while, so it's very, very cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the bonus page. You can see which bonuses you get from me. I got a special bonus for you. So make sure you're listening. We're going to take a look at the sales page. We'll look at a sort of a welcome demo that they have for you so you can sort of see the back office, and then I'll take you right inside the back office so you can see exactly what it looks like. Basically, guys, this is a very simple software that you can use to get a ton of traffic. I think they have 100 traffic sources in there, so you're going to be able to get a ton of traffic, and you pick it up for 12 bucks or 15 bucks or whatever it is. So let's get into it. First off, make sure you hit subscribe, and then let's pop over to my bonus page because I'm sure that's what you guys want to see. Okay, so Traffic Shark, in the next 60 seconds, 3-step free traffic system makes us $279 per day. That's what the product is. On this page, you'll see what the what you can buy. These are the products, and I will go through them with you so you know exactly what they do. And then first off, 200 bucks per day on autopilot. You need this program. This is worth more than like this is a huge value program. You really want to get this. It's worth $427. This one is we've got Jono Armstrong's headline hacks. I'm going to actually be making my own headline hacks that I've taken what his best practices are and put into mine. But right now you're going to get Jono's headline hacks. We're also going to give you 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. This is where you can start hitting the send button and making $300-$500 every time you hit send button, which is very, very cool. That's a $345 value. And then we've got timeless traffic. So on top of all the traffic that you're going to get from Traffic Shark, we've also got another really cool training on how to get timeless traffic, and that's another $267 bonus. Plus, Glen has given us some really cool extra bonuses that we're allowed to give out as super affiliates for him. So we're going to make sure that you get all the bonuses. He's got this mega bonus package for certain affiliates, and I'm going to make sure that you get that. Plus, on top of that, guys, I'm going to throw in a half-hour Zoom call with me to help you get set up. So you purchase it, message me, we'll jump on Zoom together. I'll show you how to put it all together. But you won't need me, but I'm here for you. But because you're going to see in the training, they have all the tutorials, everything is in the back office. And if you guys are not interested in this, scroll right down the bottom. Don't go away empty-handed. Make sure you grab my 6-figure blueprint. This is exactly what I use to earn money online. So that is the bonuses, guys. So definitely you want to be checking it out. Just when you're on the bonus page here, you just can hit any of these yellow buttons, or up here, you can go and pick up your copy of Traffic Shark. All right, so let's get into the, let's jump over and watch the welcome video. And then as soon as that's done, we'll come back, we'll take a look at the sales page, we'll talk about the products, and then we'll kind of go in. I'll show you the back office and show you how it kind of works very quickly. But I think you're going to get the deal of it from the video here. So let's watch the video, and then I'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay.
Welcome to Traffic Shark. You're just moments away from creating some commission generating campaigns. And here, just some simple orientation. What you'll find is we've got 2 menus, one on the left hand side and another small one here on the top right hand side. Most of it's on the left hand side. Now, if you need any help with creating or your campaigns or anything, click on this tutorial button here on the left hand side. This is going to bring up the support page. And on this page, you are going to find a load of videos, resources, trainings that are going to show you exactly what to do and how to get started. And it's going to help you solve any problems that you have. So make sure that you watch all of those videos, take advantage of the resources that are there. If that doesn't solve your problems that you may have encountered, you can click on help. Likewise, if you need any help with upgrades, there's 2 sections here. As you can see, upgrades and upgrade. Upgrades is to locate upgrades, and upgrade is to actually upgrade. So that was just a simple orientation here at Traffic Sharp. We're glad to have you on board. Good luck. We'll see you in the next video.
Okay, so that was more or less sort of like a bit of the back office thing. In a nutshell, how Traffic Sharp works, it's basically they're done for you systems where you can go and give away a lead magnet, you can give away one of your own, or give away a piece of software in order to get an email and then just put them into your email campaign. That is how, and then, or you can put your offer behind it, however you want to structure it. For example, if you get an email of mine, you may see that there's another offer attached to it, or if you get it in the email, there may be offers here, and then there'll be a PS, and you'll be able to get another offer from me. That's cool. My camera blurs out and stuff like that. All right, let's go over to the sales page. We'll take a look at the sales page, and you can see, where is it here? I'll show you how to get the best price too. You'll see like right in the middle, there's a coupon. Well, how do you get that coupon? When you're on the page, guys, just scroll up like you're going to type in a new address or something, and this is going to pop up. So you're going to be able to get that $3 off and get the $16 one time. And I think that'll last for about 30 minutes when you're on the site. All right, so let's go into the sales page. Let's see if I can get rid of that. Oh, it doesn't want to click off it. It's telling me I need to stay here. Let me just refresh the page. And all right, well, that's not working for us. Let's go jump over to the dashboard and we'll wait until that comes back. Okay, so this is the dashboard, guys. Like he said, there's the welcome video. Here's how to start, how to support. Here's your dashboard over here, your campaigns. What you're going to do is you're going to be able to get this out and basically drive traffic to these, collect emails, which is the goal in order to send follow-up emails. So just so you guys know, and so many people I think on my email list especially get lost on this, affiliate marketing is really, most people don't buy on that original offer. When they first land, they put in an email and then they go to the offer. Most people don't buy on that. They buy on the 6th or 7th email they get from you. So what you need to do is you need to get their email, and then you need to email them. And a lot of people will email them once, and then they'll wait a day or two and then email them again, and then another day or two, email them again. Now, if you're in the make money online niche, you probably want to email them and then email them probably about 6 hours later, and then another one the next day. You need to battle of the inbox, and you need to be in front. They clicked on they gave you their email, they went to your offer. Now go after them with sending them to that offer again, because it's fresh in their mind. So these are basically just sites, right? And what they do, they're gonna be walked through a little series of a funnel. You don't have to set anything up; it just totally works. And then you put your offer on the back end of it, and they can do it with any sort of thing. The Warrior Plus database. If you want to sell Warrior Plus products, you just go on here and you can find any product you want to promote, and then you just request your affiliate link. Sorry guys, when I'm recording, my internet takes a little while to load pages. I apologize for that. Give it a second here. Oh, look at that. It's become unresponsive. Let's go over to this and see what's happening over here. It looks like none of the pages want to load. Let me just pause my video here. All right, guys, I got the page to load. All right, so let's go back to the page here. So what I was showing you is the Warrior Plus database. And then if you want to promote any of these things, which are great offers, you just click on this, go there, and you request your affiliate ID. Very, very cool. Very, very simple to use. All right, so, and then the upgrade is here. If you want to do the upgrades, you just click that. Now, what I was showing you on the sales page, it never did load again. And so let's go back to the bonus page, and we'll just go through. So basically, guys, it's a very good traffic program. So 200 plus traffic sources from one single platform. Software creates automated money links. That's what I'm talking about. That's already pre-built funnels. Blast your link to all traffic sources at the same time. Generate commissions from multiple high converting offers. Pre-approved for everything. No waiting. So you're going to be able to to get all these affiliate links for you. 100% done for you. Traffic plus commission system. Completely beginner friendly, zero tech skills, zero maintenance costs, proven results, generate sales and design, world-class training. And you saw all that training. So the first one is going to be, it's $19. The price will rise every hour, so you're going to get it for $16 with that discount on the sales page here that still refuses to load. Let's click it one more time and see what happens there. Then the second one is the unlimited version. Now, if you do the same thing where you can scroll off the page, you can get it for $37. I always recommend, guys, always get the unlimited version, because the first one you'll be able to do like 10 funnels. And trust me, you may think 10 is a lot at first, and it is, and you can still use the software, but get unlimited, because then once you've done 10, you will do 20. And then once you've done 20, you will do 40. And it will just, you will build a ton of these things. And that's what you want. You want a ton of these things all over the internet, driving traffic to you. And then the done for you for $47. Get them to set it up for you guys, especially if you're not techie, get them to set it up. So I would definitely get those two upgrades. The automation, unlimited traffic. If you're going to be running ads, you want to grab that because you'll get their pixel. And then go through the videos on these guys. Automation, ATM, Ultimate. These are going to be extra training, so it will really help you 10x your stuff. And then the license rights. This is going to pay you, I believe they pay 100% commissions on the license rights. So you can pick that up for $37. So you would be able to make 100%. So if you sell a front end, instead of getting 50%, instead of getting $9, you would get $17. Instead of, you sell an unlimited version, instead of getting 30, whatever it is, what is that, $33.50, you would get $67. Same with done for you. Instead of getting $97, instead of getting half of that, you would get the full $97. So that's why you'd want to get the license rights. Very, very important to have. Here's some more information on it. So all you guys need to do is go down here and click the button, 30-day money back guarantee. It's a no-brainer. So see if, did it finally load? It still didn't load. All right, let's come back on to the camera here. Oh, there, it loaded. Haha. There's the $3 off, guys, $16. So you'll get that $3 off thing. And I don't know why I can't close the coupon. There it is. It's a big page, that's why. So there you go. That is it. And yeah, just go through the sales page, guys, once you've gone through my bonus page, and you'll see exactly how it works. All right, let's jump back on here. Where am I? All right, so that is Traffic Shark. I think it's going to be a knockout, solid product. I own a bunch of Glen stuff, and it's, by the way, it's Glen, Glynn. My name's Glen, Glen, so it's Glen. He puts together really great software, and I don't know if you've noticed, there's been a lot of sort of one-button software that's come out that works okay. It doesn't really work that great. If you get everything set up, they do work, but his product, this is really generating on traffic as opposed to like the one-click kind of thing. So there is a little bit of setup, but once you set it up, it's a much more stable, much better money-making machine, basically. So you definitely want to pick it up, test drive it. Again, it comes with all my bonuses. It comes with jumping on a Zoom call or however you want to do it. You want to do a FaceTime, Zoom call, Skype call, whatever. We can get on there. I can look at your back office. Now, really important, when you buy a product from Warrior Plus, and I think a lot of people get lost on this, they end up not being able to access their product because they don't know where to find it. And then they'll keep going back to the sales page and like, well, I can't get my product. Normally on a sales page, guys, there's no login because it's just a sales page. It's for selling. What you want to do, all of the products that you buy from Warrior Plus, you want to go to warriorplus.com and log in. If you don't have a password, or you're like, I don't have a password for Warrior Plus, go and say forgot password and put the email that you purchased the product with in the forgot your password, and they'll send you some information, and then you'll be able to get onto Warrior Plus. If not, create an account with the same email that you bought the product with, and then your products will be tied to that email, and then you'll have all the access to all the products on Warrior Plus. That's where you're going to get your affiliate links. that is also where you will get paid your commissions. Your commissions are paid to you from Warrior Plus. So basically, a vendor puts a product on Warrior Plus, and the sales pages are there. When it's sold, Warrior Plus collects the money, pays the vendor, the creator, the profit, and then pays the affiliate after a certain amount of time. Like if there's a 30-day money back guarantee, then they'd wait 30 days and then they would pay you, because they don't want to, you don't get paid if something gets refunded. And that's where you collect your money, and then you can get it wired to you by PayPal, or you can get it sent directly to your bank. I just get it sent to my bank because it's easier. So that's it, guys. This has been the Traffic Shark review demo walkthrough tutorial. I think you should really pick it up. I think you'll really be able to use this. It's a great piece of software, and it will pay for itself multiple times over. In fact, just our bonuses that we're giving away pays for owning this. And again, if you have any problems, you can just shoot an email to me and say, Glenn, let's jump on the Skype. I need help. And I'll get on there with you and make sure that it's set up for you correctly. Make sure you're sending traffic, or it's sending traffic and working for your links. All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Make sure you subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.